Let me tell you something what Ramanaji says. You're not tired because of life. You're tired because you live your life unconsciously. You are always lost in your past or in thoughts about the future. But both your past and your future depend on the present moment. If you live and act in the present moment, you will not feel the need to constantly think about your past or your future. In fact, most of our energy is wasted in thoughts because thoughts create emotions and we get trapped in them. But if we remain in the present moment, we begin to understand what Ramana Maharishi meant by here and now. Here is not any place, now is not any time. Ramana Maharishi says to remain in the present moment is very important because here we can find something which is even deeper. Ramana Maharishi taught that only the present moment is real and important. The past is just memory and the future is imagination, but both exist only in the mind. Ramanaji says the past and the future is nothing but what we once lived in the present moment. And yet, mind is rarely here in the present moment. It keeps on moving between what has already happened and what has not yet come into existence. And in this constant movement, we miss the greatest treasure which we can find in the present moment. Ramana Maharishi further says even the present moment is not the final truth. In the present moment, experiences come and go, thoughts come and go, time changes. So the real question is who is aware of this coming and going? As Ramana Maharishi says, in the present moment, thoughts changes, time changes, experiences come and go, but something within you remain unchanged, silently watching everything. We call it the witness because it simply observes. It is like a mirror reflecting everything yet never able to reflect itself. If we can remain established in this witness state, we begin to recognize our true nature, pure being, pure bliss, the divine self. And only then do we understand how the world appears like a dream and how we have been living within that dream all along. This understanding alone has the power to end suffering. This is what is meant by die before dying. And when there is no ego, you are that. Follow for more such videos.